Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Perplexity for deep research. So first of all, head over to your Perplexity and get logged into your account. Now, what you have to do is when you're typing your prompt, if you have a pro account, make sure the pro is selected. In my case, I'm using my free account. So simply type in your prompt. Don't forget to mention that you would like to, do some deep research. And also don't forget to mention your title. Now, if you already have some PDF file which you would like to share to Perplexity, go ahead, select this plus button and select upload file or images. Now, once you have written down your title, you can also give other prompts if you would like, and then simply send. Now, while this does its research, you can go ahead, open a new tab, and simply search about the topic. In my case, I am searching about some economy. So go ahead, type in the exact thing in the browser. And likewise, you will see a various link. You may go ahead, copy the link as well, and send it to Perplexity for study purposes. If you do this, it will also help Perplexity to, give all the information that you were trying to look for. And likewise, guys, if it's not enough, you can go ahead, type in another prompt, ask questions about each and everything that Perplexity has given you. So thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.